This is a used 2004 Ford Ranger. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine. The features include privacy glass, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Town & Country Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at West 7600 US Highway 2, Kinnesec, Michigan 59876.